Realizing I've got something here I haven't really shared on YouTube. Um, this little quad here, let's see if I can flip my camera around. Go this way. This little quad right here, I got off a Thingiverse and then I scaled it, and I've had it printed a few different times. Get it down so you can see it. This has, I don't know if you can see it. Oh yeah, you can see it. This is a nylon 3D printed frame, but it has an integrated carbon fiber an element that was 3D printed into it. And this thing has taken some very hard direct hits. And I've only noticed that sometimes these screws pull through, but now I've got larger screws in, larger heads in, where they pulled through. And maybe one little delamination on one of these forward arms. But this thing has taken hits like 30, 40 mile an hour hits directly into steel posts. If you look at my CATIA Doctor channel, you might actually find some of those videos. This is a really neat way to print these, and it's very, very light and very quick. And the top is printed in a flexible material because of the scaling. I think the top is still in its original scale. I scaled it down so it would fit the printer at Wichita State's printing lab that can print this composite material. Composite, not carbon fiber composite, but composite as in nylon and carbon fiber element traces inside. And really that's just a I don't know what to call it. It's a fiber rope that's laid down while the nylon is being printed. I think there's a market for this, because I'm telling you, I have severely abused this thing. I've got probably 10 or 20 props, okay, let's say 15 props that I've broken in crashes hanging from my rear view mirror in my car. In fact, the last crash destroyed this one, coming in hot, and I hit some mud trying to do a low pass because I caught a weed that was growing up in the middle of a baseball diamond, and it just pulled it down and went tumbling. So you can see the evidence of the mud and stuff here, and the ends of the props are kind of boogered up, and that one's hitting, so I'm going to have to repair that. See what shifted. Even this camera popped out. Anyway, this guy is a conglomeration of